Today, I'll be showing you guys how to do star nail art. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Check out the nail art links I have in the description below. You're going to start by painting your nails brown. And now to do the gold star designs. As you can see, I already have a star on my nail and I'm just going to trace it. Follow me on Instagram. Check out the cards in the end screen. You're going to continue by doing stars on the rest of your nails. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it. The way this gold and this brown go together on this design is just everything. The white polish on my other hand just makes it pop even more. This is what they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.